Hi, this is Angie from VRAcademi, and today I'm going to show you how to add backdrops in your project. So, this is our stage, and as you see, our stage is blank right now. So we can add images in our stage which are called backdrops. In order to do that, I will first delete this sprite. Then I will go to stage and I can hover over this button and search for a backdrop. So there are many backdrops over here and they are also divided into groups. So there is a fantasy group, music, sports, outdoors. So I will select one of them, this one, and now this backdrop is on my project and I can add sprites and create my story or my game. Now that I have added this backdrop, I can see this little item over here that shows my backdrop, and this means that now I can work on this by using these tabs called backdrop and sounds. So while sprites have code, costumes and sounds, backdrops, the stage has code, backdrops and sounds, and they have a different set of commands for coding the stage. I can even add another backdrop as well, so I will go on and choose another one, this one. So now you see that my backdrop chose to basketball. But if I go here to this tab, the tab of backdrops, I will see that I have two backdrops selected, and later I can code them so that they change during my project. Thank you for watching this. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like and subscribe in our YouTube channel. Thank you.